Walton Learning. Vocabulary Workshop Green. Unit 10, page 105. Hans Christian Andersen's Fairy Tales. Hans Christian Andersen was born in Denmark in 1805. His family was poorer than most, yet he was able to attend boarding school. At first, he intended to work as an actor, but he soon started writing stories instead. In 1829, Andersen published his first stories. The King of Denmark read them and recognized their wit. He awarded Andersen a gift of money so he could write more. In 1835, Andersen started writing fairy tales. He went on to write many of these tales, including The Snow Queen. This famous story is about a boy who meets an evil queen living in the chill of the north. The story's moral is that good conquers evil. Andersen followed some patterns in his fairy tales. He wrote about people who were outcasts. Even though Andersen was famous in his actual life, he always felt like an outcast himself. Andersen also wrote about people who were less fortunate. When Andersen died in 1875, he left behind a rich collection of stories for readers to enjoy.